This medication and complications registry allows people to view medications and their complications. So there are two possibilities. A person can look at the medications and complications without logging in. So they would click on medications and complications. They would then choose a medication. So they could choose this medication and view all the complications. They do not have the opportunity to edit any of the complications or to delete any of the complications. On the other hand, a person can either sign up or log in, and we'll just log in. And now what they do is they have the ability to add medications, add complications, and also to modify or delete the complications that they have created. So first what we'll do is we will add a new medication. So we can add a medication here. So we'll just make up a name. We'll have a frequency, an administration route, and submit. Okay, and now we can see that the medication has been added. Okay, now in addition to that, if we look at that medication now, there are currently no complications listed for this medication. So now what we can do is, I'll show a different medication that already has some, so we can see the difference between what was made for a by this individual or made by others. So here we have several complications which have already been created for this medication. So since the person is logged in, they can add a new complication. So we'll have them add a new complication here. So this is upset stomach, and it would be a level 3. The duration would be 2 hours, and completely resolved would be completely resolved. So now this is added, and now we can see that this one has been added to it. Okay, so now what we'll do is we can delete this medication, and we can also edit this medication. So we're going to edit the medication here. We'll change the 5 to a 7, and we will submit, and now it's a 7. Now, if a person did not create a medication, so what we'll do is we'll log out, and we'll sign up a new person. So we'll do James, and okay, we'll have a password, so it'll be 123, and you repeat the password, 123. Okay, so now this person they have just created an account, and basically what we're going to do is we will now go to medications, and basically we'll select a medication. So here we have a medication. Let's pick a medication with several different okay, so now what will happen is you'll notice that obviously cannot go on to change any of the medications, but let's add a new complication, and that would be a headache, and it would be a level 7, and duration would be 1 minute, and completely resolved, and we submit it, and now we see that the only complication that this person can change, can delete, or to edit is their own. They cannot delete or change or edit any complications. And then when they're finished, as you can see, the log out only appeared once the person was signed in. Then they can log out, and they've successfully logged out, and they can press the login tab if they want to log in again. And that is the site for medications and complications.